Okay, so we have got a customer in Kennewick that wants to get their house painted. So they have been dealing a long time with a light gray, a maroon, and a teal color on the outside. And so their request to us was to come in and change the colors on their exterior. So they have got the maroon shutters, the light gray body, and then they've got the teal accent siding. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here and literally change the colors on this exterior, and this house is gonna feel like a brand new house, even though the owner's still living there. They don't gotta move their stuff, and they can literally drive up to what looks like a brand new house. Of course, it's just because we can change the paint colors on the outside. So that is what we have going on here, and soon I'll give you the update of the painters working here, and then after that I'll give you a walkthrough of how this place looks once we're done and completed.